guys, I'm Samantha Lee. I'm a Georgia realtor and I'm here to give you some real estate tips. So if that's your kind of content, I want you to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so I know that you like this video and that you can get all the other videos that I post. So today I want to give you some seller tips. If you are looking to currently sell your home, what do you think that you need to do to get your home ready? I know it's a very confusing, exciting time, but there's also some decisions you need to make up front. There's some things you need to get ready before you sell your house, either through a realtor or on your own. So the first thing you need to do is declutter your home. Take everything off the countertops. Nothing needs to be on the countertops. Take all the personal pictures off your wall. Buyers do not want to walk in and see your family on the wall. Sorry, that's just a cold hard truth. Anything that you don't use on a day-to-day basis, put away, hide it, put it in storage, get rid of it. Second thing, take care of small issues. So if you have some chip and paint, a door that needs to be replaced, your floors are just super nasty, fix all those small issues before you put your house on the market to sell, because when a buyer walks in, that's the first thing they're going to notice is all the work they have to do to your house to make it theirs. So try to fix the small issues. If you have leaky sinks, leaky toilets, anything like that, fix the small stuff before the inspection report comes back. Make sure your home is clean and odor-free. A buyer does not want to walk in a stinky home. If you have pets or if you're a cigarette smoker, go ahead and do yourself a favor and get you an air purifier and just let it run continuously, and whatever else you got to do to get the odor out of your house. Highlight your home's best features. Whatever you love about the home, make sure that part of the home is super highlighted and stands out so the buyer of the house will be able to see it and will notice the same thing. If you liked your lawn, make sure it's neatly landscaped and there's not grass that needs to be cut, bushes that needs to be trimmed. Make sure all that is done before you put your house on the market. And last of all, interview agents. Do not list your house with an agent just because she's your sister, your mama, your friend. Make sure that you interview at least 3 agents and make sure that they have your best interests at heart and want the same outcome for you as you do. That's my tips, guys. So if you like this video, like I said, hit the like button to let me know and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.